how to create a PlayStation account. So if you want to create a PlayStation account, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to search for PlayStation. After searching, you need to go with www.playstation.com, which will take you to the official website. I need to go with sign in, which is in the top right. And here you need to go with create an account. You need to click on create and then select your country or region and then your language and go with next. Now enter your date of birth. After that, go with next and then go with continue about your age verification. You can use your facial scan or you can use your ID, your driving license, your passport or your ID card, or you can use your mobile number. So go with your mobile number and then go and select the country code. Enter your mobile number and go with continue. And you will receive a verification code to the mobile number. You need to enter the verification code right here. If you didn't receive the verification code, you can go with resend code right here and it will resend you the verification code. And once you've done with the verification code, it will ask you to enter your email address and then you can create your password. And after creating your password, your account will be created. That's it. That's how you can create a PlayStation account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.